Friends, welcome back to PCB Repair YouTube channel. Today's tutorial is about the panel problem of a 32-inch Sony Bravia LED TV. The model number of the TV is KLB-32R302D. First, let's leave the TV in standby mode. As you can see, the TV has going out of the standby and vertical bar is automatically appearing on the panel. The main problem with this TV is the vertical line problem. Now open the TV and check where the problem is. Friends, as you can see, the TV has been opened. This TV uses a single core panel and this is the Ticon boot. The model number of this Ticon boot is 320KSB-S2LV0.3. Friends, since the image is visible on this TV, I believe there is no problem with the DC to DC IC. This problem is related to CKB connection. This is the DC to DC IC of the TV. The Ticon processor and the level shifter IC are integrated into this IC. To solve this problem, we need to understand the details of the CKB. Here, the panel connection on the right side are the CKB connection, and these are the CKB connection the left side. Since panel irritated the CKB connection, I first cut off the right side CKB connection. Now let's level the TV from standby again. Guys, look, now there are no vertical blinds on the panel. So if this problem occurs in your case, you need to focus on the first stable CKB connection. Now the panel problem is solved. If you want to continuously learn how to work out with panel problems, and if the videos on my YouTube channel reach you, then I have and press the bell icon so that you can see the upcoming videos. I will try to upload new videos very soon. Everyone be well. Thank you.